Hello everyone, welcome to another travel vlog. Today I'm going to show you my trip of Iceland. So let's hop into this. Everybody, so I'm on my way to pick up my rental car. I'll be driving around some parts of Iceland. Unfortunately, not the whole island, but just maybe like a third of it. Wow, look at this beautiful design. This structure is a steel framework that is geometric, and these panels consist of different colors. This concert hall was designed by Henning Larsen Architects. The construction started back in 2007. In the afternoon, I finally had the chance to check into my hostel. I ended up sleeping with 6 other people. Then I decided to go on a mini road trip to a national park near Reykjavik. This park was founded back in 1930, and this park was built to preserve the natural scenery. The next day, I drove to the same park to visit the tectonic plate. There are quite a bit of people here. And rainy, but it was worth the time. Now, this is the trip I've been waiting for. I decided to take a 2-hour drive to Vik. Once I got there, everything was just pure black. I've never seen anything like this before. On my way back to Reykjavik, I decided to view several waterfalls. Skagafoss is one of the biggest waterfalls in the country. Next is Foss. So people can walk behind the fall. Just make sure you watch your step because it can kind of get slippery. So I had a great time today. Unfortunately, today is my last full day. I'll be leaving in the afternoon tomorrow, so I will definitely come back. It is such a beautiful country, and I can't wait to visit the rest of the parts of Iceland in the future. So the next morning, I decided to grab some breakfast before I headed to the pond. This is a popular pond in Reykjavik to visit the birds and feed them.
rivers, beaches, city life, vegetarian food, and beautiful tall mountains. And all of these natural monuments inspired me to come to Iceland. However, the journey isn't over. I will most definitely come again.